Hi guys, so today I'm gonna teach you how to turn this photo to this into this. So let's get started. So first, you're gonna open your image. Okay, this is my image that is selected. So I'm gonna duplicate this twice. So how you need to do that? Just just click this layer and drag this into this icon layer twice. Or you can use the hotkeys. I'm gonna delete this first. So the hotkeys is Control plus J. Okay, twice. So I'm gonna turn off the top layer so I can see the what gonna go to bottom. So I'm gonna rename this blur, and the top one is high pass. Oops, high pass. So make sure that you selected the blur and go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur. So make sure that you cannot see the pimples here. As you can see, you can make sure that you cannot see, like, you know, make sure the skin is like smooth. Okay, I'm gonna drag like that, not like, maybe not that one, maybe 19 like that. Okay, it's okay, just then press OK. Then select the high pass, turn it on. So I'm gonna go to image, apply image, and make sure the source is the one that you're working on. So for me, this is the only files that I open. So go to here, the layer, make sure that you selected the blur. Okay, selected the blur. So in the blending, so the default is multiply, but you're gonna change that to subtract. So the opacity, make sure it is 100, and the scale is 2, and the offset is 128. And uncheck the preserve transparency and mask. Press OK. So press the high pass layer. So as for me, it is selected now. So go to this one, this blending option, go to linear light. Okay, so then press this blur layer, make sure this is that you selected is the blur layer, and go to, oops, I selected, no, just select the blur layer. So I'm gonna select the pimples area that I'm gonna be working on. So for that, you're gonna use the lasso tool. Make sure this is a lasso tool, not the polygonal tool or the magnetic tool. Make sure it is the lasso. You can go to free wheel. So I'm gonna select this area first. Okay, make sure it is the you're working on is the blur layer. So I'm gonna go to filter. So you can see. So I cannot see the changes. So maybe that one. So Control D for the deselect. So you can deselect the selection tool. So I'm gonna go here. So I'm gonna select here. So you're gonna go to filter again and click this, or Alt Control F to repeat the previous filter that you do. So you can change the values of the blur. So gonna go here. So make sure like that. Okay. So one thing, make sure to feather the selection. So as you can see here, I'm gonna feather this into like 10 pixels maybe. Yeah, okay, that one, 10 pixels. So I'm gonna select again so that it will not be hard and hard edges. You can do the neck area too. Again, I'm gonna maybe increase the value around 50. Yes. Let's see the before, the after. So you can see the before and after. So there's still the pimples. There's still pimples. So you're gonna remove that by using clone stamp or the spot healing brush. So this is the clone stamp, and this is the spot healing brush tool. So for that, I'm gonna press a new layer. So here, so I'm gonna go press S for shortcut key for clone stamp. So I'm gonna make the brush tool bigger, same size of the pimples. So how you gonna do that? So I'm gonna go this bracket keys. So I'm gonna sample here. So to sample that, just press Alt, sample here, maybe here, sample. So make sure to sample in the closest area of the pimples. So as you can see, this is the before and this is the after. So it's done. So you can work this on for you. Maybe you can, so you're gonna take your time to work this on, or you can use the spot healing brush. You can use the spot healing brush. Make sure it is the spot healing brush too. So make sure it is sample all layers. Maybe yours is unchecked. Make sure it is sample all layers and content aware. So I'm gonna make the brush bigger. So I'm gonna do that. It's just bracket. Okay, and I'm gonna okay, as you can see the result, the blemishes is removed now. So if you enjoyed the video, so please help me subscribe or like this video, and maybe you share your friends with it if you want them to learn something, maybe. So if you don't learn something, press check. If you want to notify if I uploaded a new videos, just press the ring bell button. Yeah, you're gonna press that. So thanks for watching, and thank you for subscribing, maybe. So yeah, so see you in the next video. Peace out. Bye.